A flash flood watch is in effect this morning, which could produce as much as 3 inches of rain. 22 News reporter Jennifer Zarate is live in West Springfield on River Street, an area known for flooding.
Wet and windy weather kicks us off this weekend with possible wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. As you can see behind me on River Street in West Springfield, steady and heavy rain caused some street flooding. Crews were here just moments ago cleaning up leaves with shovels from the drains. You're looking at video of a flooded underpass on River Street. As the rain ends midday Saturday, the wind will pick up. Look out for downed tree limbs and possible power outages. Keep your distance between the car in front of you. You never know when the person ahead of you could spin out of control. Slow down and take corners slower. Wet leaves can make your tires lose contact with road surfaces, making it just as dangerous as ice. Leaves also hide potholes and other road hazards. So be patient and take your time while driving during this morning's commute.